Hello,
Hi, Miss Sonam. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Are you out or are you at home?
Sorry?
I said, are you out or are you at home?
No, I'm in home.
Okay. You can hear me clearly today?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. So you seem like you are a little tired. How was your day?
No, today is actually my fast. That is why it's look like that.
Hmm, no problem. No problem. So do you have the energy to talk to me or no?
No, no. I will talk to you.
Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So today we're going to talk about unexpected challenges. Okay.
Okay.
Things that you are not expecting, and I want to know how you would react to them.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. So I'll start off with a situation, and you can respond to it according to your views and opinions. Right. So
Oh, okay.
this is going to be a hypothetical. Right. Again, today we're going to focus on your the, and we're going to focus on your tenses.
Okay.
So today's situation is also a hypothetical. Again, we will be talking in the future tense. Something that has not happened to you
Okay.
yet, but it might happen.
Okay. Okay.
Awesome. Perfect. So let's say that you were sleeping at home and suddenly the doorbell rings. You answer the door, okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
once you open the door, you realize that a police officer is there to arrest you. Okay,
Okay.
so she tells you that she is going to arrest you and she's going to take you to the police station. And you keep asking her, why am I being arrested? What is the crime you are accusing me of? Okay, why am I being taken into custody? But she doesn't answer, and she just takes you to the police station, right? She arrests you, and obviously now you are stuck in the situation and you don't know why. So tell me, how would you react to it?
First, I will be shocked why he is arresting me, and second will be I will ask what is the reason to him, and third I will tell my parents about the things,
Yes, you'll call them.
and yes, and fourth, what should I will keep on asking. So how do I know what the reason exactly they will arrest me, and that's it. Anything else? I don't.
Okay, so they're not telling you the
First,
reason.
but why is if if we are arresting someone this so that he will give the answer why he is arresting, for what purpose he is arresting, so what's the crime I will do.
I have done.
But you saying you sorry.
What is the crime that I have committed?
Yes, yes, that the things I asked them.
Yeah, I will ask them. Okay. So now, when I told you the story, I didn't tell you if it was a male police officer or a female police officer. Okay.
Okay,
So in this
okay,
case, we assume that we don't know the gender. So we say they, we say them. I don't know why they have arrested me. I don't know why. I will ask them what is the reason. Okay. Try saying that. If I say that
okay,
a female police officer has arrested you, then you say she. I will ask her. I don't know why she has arrested me. Okay.
okay,
All right. Perfect. We'll go on. Um, let's say you are working somewhere. Same situation, but I'm just
okay,
saying that
okay,
this happens on a Tuesday morning. You're sleeping Tuesday morning, and they arrested you, and you are missing your office because of this. You are in the police station, at 10 o'clock in the morning, but you are supposed to be at office at 10 o'clock.
Just 1 minute. Can you repeat again? I will not hear.
I could not hear.
Okay, I could not hear your voice.
Yeah. Yes. So I'm saying, let's say that you are working in an office.
Okay.
And you are supposed to reach your
Okay.
office at 10 o'clock every morning, reporting time. Right?
Okay.
But because of this incident, you are at the police station at 10 in the morning and you cannot attend office. Right?
Okay.
What reason would you give your boss? Let's say your boss calls you and says, Sonam, where are you? You're supposed to be in the meeting at 10:30.
Okay.
Right? So what would
I
you
will
tell them?
arrest or not? The police is arresting me or not?
Yes,
Arrested.
the police has already arrested you. You are arrested and you are in the police station trying to have an argument with them. But your boss calls you and says, Sonam, where are you? Why are you not at work?
I will told him I will arrest it. The police is arresting me. That is why I'm not coming in office. And you can also come and help me to solve
They
the
can't
matter.
leave their office work to come help you.
No, if he think I'm saying the lie, then he supposed to come and help out of me. That is why I'm saying you. That's the reason I will
Okay.
give him.
Okay. So Sonam, yesterday I told you to watch some YouTube videos on our Clapping to account. Did you see it?
Yes, I see lot of video. Where is the use of the? Right? You are saying
Yes.
you have
Yes.
to learn about the articles a and the. So sorry. So most specific word in this case you have to be used in the. Suppose like time, some specific country which is in that place we using the like the USA, the UK and the UAE, and the numbers and the superlative sentence where we use the. But in the general word we cannot use the. We can use the right. I have learned lot of videos so much
Nice.
because
Good,
I
good.
don't like the person. If can I say, because I don't like it, you are telling again and again for the same reason. I'm not doing. It's not
I'm
good.
sorry if it sounds like I'm trying to I'm not trying to make you feel bad. I'm just trying to make sure that you learn and you improve, right? Because that is the purpose of you coming here.
No. That is my improvement. That is why I'm doing. For
Okay,
what
good.
you just teach and go. You do not have anything.
Okay, awesome. All right. So there's one mistake you made when I asked you about the video. You said I watched a lot of video. Can you correct that sentence? I have watched a lot of video.
I have watched so many video.
Okay, you can say so
Sorry
many,
about your
but
tenses, about the tense.
about singular plural,
You
I have watched a lot of video.
videos
Yes,
at the end of
perfect.
s.
Again,
Okay,
when the
okay,
subject, yeah, when the
okay,
subject is plural, you have to match the object with it, right? So
okay,
when you're saying a lot, it means more than one. So we say videos. If you say I
okay,
watched a video, that is perfect because there is one video. I have watched a lot of videos because it's more than one,
okay,
right?
okay, okay.
Perfect.
Then
Okay. All right. Perfect. So you've not made a mistake with her yet, which is good. I can see that you have watched the video and you remember the rules very nicely. So keep trying to remember that when you're talking. Okay.
okay, okay.
All right. One more mistake you made is you said I will told them.
I will told them.
tenses.
To whom?
No,
I will
correct the
tell them.
sentence. Yes, exactly. Because you cannot say will.
I will.
Will is in the future, and told is in the past,
Okay, okay.
right?
I
I will tell them.
yes.
I have told them. Two different sentences. Okay,
Okay.
awesome. Then I asked you about your boss, and you said, I will tell him that I got arrested, and if he doesn't believe me, he can come and help me. Your sentence, when you said it, you
Yes.
said, uh, I'm saying the lie.
Yes.
Can you correct that sentence? I'm
Yes.
saying the lie.
Yes. If I will set the, if I'm telling the lie, you just come and see
Okay,
that
so you
situations,
are
what's
not
going
wrong.
on.
It is a little better. Okay, but the correct way to see that is,
Okay.
if he
Okay. Okay.
thinks I'm lying,
Oh.
he can come and check.
Okay.
If he thinks I'm lying, he can come and check. Another way to say that is, if you think I am lying, okay, you don't have to say, tell, spoke. You don't need right now. Okay, in this sentence, you don't need to say any of those
Okay.
things. You can just say, I am. If he thinks I am lying, I am lying. I'm saying the lie. I am tell the lie. Not needed. Okay, they're both incorrect sentences. Please
Oh.
don't say that.
Oh.
If you
Okay.
think I am lying, because lying generally means that you're talking, you're speaking, right? He thinks
Okay.
I lied. He will assume I am going to lie. Again, speaking, telling, we don't need to use those words in this sentence. Okay?
So what the sentence? What the word we use? Uh, um,
We don't need to use
instead
any
of
word in
lie.
this case. I am lying. Okay? That is a
Okay.
simple sentence. I am lying. Okay? So you can say, he thinks I am lying. And
Okay.
in this case, we don't know if it is there or not there. It is a hypothetical. So we say, if he thinks I'm lying, if it happens or it doesn't happen. Okay. So we say, if he thinks I'm lying, he can come and check.
Okay. If I, if he thinks lie, then come and check,
If he thinks
because
I am
we are
lying,
talking about the. Okay. Okay. When we are talking about the futures, that word we use.
yes. In this case, we say it like that because you are talking about your boss. So what you have to say is, if he thinks I'm lying, he can come and check. If that same sentence I have to say as a third person, okay, between you and your boss, and I'm only looking, I'll say, if her boss thinks she is lying, he can come check.
Okay. Okay.
All right?
I
Does
can
that make sense to you?
understand. Yes. 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 Okay.
Awesome. Perfect. So, in this situation, you are in the police station. Okay, we are back to the situation now. You're at the police station, and the police come and tell you, Ms. Sonam, we are so sorry. We arrested you by mistake. We were trying to arrest someone else. We did not want to arrest you. We were trying to arrest someone else, but we arrested you by mistake. And then they say sorry, and then they tell you to go home. What would your reaction be?
Why are he say sorry if I'm not doing? Then he wasted my all the time. I will complain against him. I will file
Okay,
the
that's
case
good.
against him.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Yes.
Um,
If I face the same situations, someone all face, so that he can, in future he can do that same, so he can understand
he can make he can make the
what.
same mistake again. So to avoid it, we file a complaint.
Yes. 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 Right. You're right.
Can you
So
repeat
he
that?
can avoid this. Can't hear you. I can't
I
hear you
said, can
full
you
full
repeat that?
sentence. Okay. If sorry. Yes, if he is doing these things in future, so he can for um, I will file the case. So he will understand. Then he will not do the other people in future.
He will not
Correct?
make the same mistake again.
Okay, he will not make the same mistake again in the future. Correct?
Perfect. Yes, yes,
Okay.
that is correct. Awesome. Okay.
Okay.
So you will go home and obviously you will go to your office, right? After that?
Sorry?
I said you will go home and then you will go to the office after that, your office, because your boss is waiting for you.
No, I will go home and sleep for some take a rest because my mind is so so much tired. For all this happened, who is able to work in office?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm go to
So you
home
will
and
be really
sleep and
tired
take a
and
rest.
annoyed. So you will tell your boss that I am not coming in today. I'll take a off. I will take the day off.
Yes, yes, yes. If I'm going to office, I'm doing the wrong work. Then again, he's shouting me. That is, I'm not going to office.
Obviously, you will be very distracted. Your mental health will be disturbed
Yes,
once you face that situation. I understand. Okay. Sonam,
yes, correct.
are you watching movies and shows right now?
Yes.
Uh, what I would suggest you
English
to do
movie.
is try watching English movies and shows more. Try increasing that amount and try repeating the sentences with them because you are making mistakes like I will be very tired, very much tired. They wasted all the time instead of all my time, or you can say they wasted my time. Instead of that, you're saying they wasted all the time.
Okay.
Okay. Once you see the recording, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay. These are very small mistakes
Okay.
that you know how to say it correctly, but you're still making these mistakes. So try practicing without a speaker more. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I
And
will.
one more suggestion I'll give you is try talking to new speakers. Okay. Don't just talk to me. Talk to other speakers as well.